Well, your natural safety lock doesn't work, does it?
The thing he opened was his own nose?
He should look for a swimming pool instead of a puddle.
You should be more careful before sitting down.
Bruh. Let go!
When you know it's your time to sit back down,
I owed him up.
And here, a driver passed out behind the wheel, but thankfully missed all the other cars.
To work alone. Insurance won't help him cover this mistake. That crate wants to touch his head first.
Normal.
Diavolo, che difficile la puscite!
To destroy everything, just ask a woman.
Are you kidding me? Oh no!
Either this was premeditated or he's very lucky.
Watch it, baby, watch it.
Wow!
Pizza Man, you are a hero.
No, 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 no. I'll be there in a minute. Take out the tie. Why would I? Take the fucking laser.
You see these sparks coming off his car? Oh my god!
Let's head to the repair shop, buddy. This is not allowed on the highway.
Now it's 300. Now it's 300.
This guy will have to pay for his mistakes.
That's fine. We can be in touch with the city of Raleigh. We have all your information. City of
The quality of this crane is too poor.
If the hog ran out just a second later, we would have witnessed a very strange collision.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of shattered money.
You wouldn't want to spoil a $1,000 bottle of wine, right?
Perhaps the F1 racetrack is meant for him. It's better to stay away from this guy.
Yeah.
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh.
Now he's got plenty of wood to fix his roof.
Well, I don't think I got that, but that was not good at all. We just took out half the house.
Did AI grant him a driver's license? Must check that.
Looks like they've got a new mechanic's assistant.
Check out what this archer's capable of. And that's not all.
Oh my gosh! I made it! I made it! I made it! Oh my god! I made it! Oh my god!
We should learn traffic rules before hitting the road.